What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Steve from Printing Gang Investments, back with another video. In the day in that market bounced. You know, Trump, Putin, they was talking bullish about possibly ending the war. Nothing's confirmed yet. But, you know, we did have some good data back to back. We haven't got any crazy recent tariff updates, so we bounced for now. So, you know us, we did some little small day trades, bought a little few pieces of shares, fractional share type thing. We made like $950 a day, and I'm going to show y'all every position. So first, with the Palantir position. We bought a new car. You know, it's flat, down 5%. We're going to see what happens with it. You know, it's like a test the waters call on Palantir. I got it till June 20th. So theoretically, if the tariffs were over by then, we might do see new highs, but we'll see what happens with this car. If they knock it down maybe 50-60%, we might take the L on it, but we'll see what happens. We up to 95.25 shares of Palantir from trading it at this point. That SoFi car, that one we used to test the Soundhound car that we used to test the waters, looks like we bounced right back for real. We was down as much as like 47% yesterday. But Soundhound went up, and that's a proxy on the market, because if we go back into risk on the companies like Soundhound, who still got to prove themselves, is going to bounce even harder than like a Palantir. That was the thesis, and that's what happened. So we have 50% on the Soundhound call. You know, we got $925 worth of Tesla. They trying to bounce back. $952 with the VOO. Still got Vista and Walmart. I want to add to them again. Haven't done it yet. Let's see. Nvidia position bounced. So, you know, to 121. We was just saying we needed to break that level and hold it. So I'm going to pull up the chart. That might be what we need to see. MicroStrategy, you know what I'm saying? IBIT still down. They got to recover. Meta still down. IBM, we flat on that. And Google and Amazon, we still down. I do want to add to all of these as much as I can on this dip. We'll see how long this dip lasts, because this was a fairly strong day. I'm not sold or convinced yet. There's like time to go all in on calls. But if this is near the bottom, these are the people who are going to be rewarded the most, because these are people taking the most risk. They're buying calls when the news isn't clear and certain yet. But let's look at some stocks. Had QQQ up 2.4, SPY up 2%, Palantir up 8.3, Nvidia up 5%, Tesla up 3.8, Soundhound did 16, Supermicro did 8, Archer did 8.7, Baba did 2%, Bitcoin did a little bit today, flat basically. Coinbase did 3.17%. So, you know, the market might be going back risk on, but I'm not sure yet. We're not sure yet. That's why we ain't bought that many calls. But let's look at a few charts. Start with Tesla. Pull this up on the daily. Let's see. So we did bounce off that order block. We got some minor resistance short term, but long term, if we actually go up, I'm looking at this 262 area for resistance. That's where it could potentially bounce. As far as where it could fall, you know, it could fall right back to the same block it was just in. So we'll see what happens with Tesla. Like I said, I'm still loading up on it. Go to the Palantir. And Palantir came down to this level. It had a strong finish. We broke our first EMA. I'm interested to see, can we break the second EMA on Monday. We should get a fair value gap behind this candle, unless like the next candle is just very red and pulls right back into it. But we're gonna see what happens with Palantir. This might be the bottom. Looks like that equilibrium at 72 might have been the steal of the year. I ain't gonna call it yet, because Trump hasn't done anything with the tariffs yet, but we watching the situation. And last but not least, let's look at this QQQ, because they showed they as the date fell below the 200, making new lows. People don't know where it's going to bounce, and it bounced at random from this point. So we're going to see what happens with the QQQ. I definitely don't think we out the waters on the QQQ, because we still below the 200 on the daily. That's not a good sign, you know what I'm saying? And now if we can break above it and hold, that'll be a great sign. But as is, I'm not sure if that's necessarily what I want to see out here. So, you know, it was just one of them days. market bounce. We about to get a lot more active with the trades. We did do like 2-3 day trades today. Bought a little Palantir. Nothing too crazy. Let's see what it was. The 14th. Turn a little 42 into a 46. 51 into a 57, 49 into a 55. I had to go do some things today, so I couldn't really stay on that chart like I normally do. I could have got a lot more percent because the market kept running. I probably could have got like 100% out of all them calls. But you know, when you day trade, you just get in and out, take your gains, get what you can, and be happy about it. You know what I'm saying? Like, bought a little more Palantir with the money. Bought a little more SPY, a little more Tesla. What more can we ask for? But it's your boy Steve from Printer Gang Investments. I'm going to be doing a few talk videos. There's going to be a lot more content this weekend. I know this YOLO update a little short. But we're just in a choppy range. You know, I ain't want to keep y'all here all night. But I'm going to see y'all in the next video. And we're going to have a lot more to talk about.